here's an update on what's happening at the City of Lakeville.
The City Council met this past Monday. Public Works Director Paul Omi presented a quarterly Public Works report. The Council approved a contract to recoat the Kenrick Water Tower. The Council approved the Launch Park 2nd Edition preliminary plat. A preliminary plat was approved for Nob Hill North, consisting of 36 single-family lots and 42 detached townhomes. And finally, the Council reaffirmed that Antlers and Orchard Lake beaches would open as planned. They also approved the temporary policy for outdoor seating and service areas for our local businesses. The next City Council meeting will be held June 1st at 6:30 p.m.
Hi, I'm Alex Jordan, Assistant City Engineer with the City of Lakeville. The City of Lakeville is planning to reconstruct 210th Street from Kensington Boulevard to Holyoke Avenue and replace the pavement surface of 210th Street and Lakeville Boulevard from Holyoke Avenue to Cedar Avenue in 2022. The city will be hosting an online virtual open house video presentation on May 28th from 6 to 6:30 p.m. The virtual open house will provide an overview of the project and will demonstrate how you can give feedback to the project team. Please join us for the virtual open house at the project's website, www.210street.com. Feel free to visit the project website now to learn more information and provide feedback on the website comment map. We look forward to partnering with the community to make this project a success. Thank you.
The Lakeville Area Art Center is in the process of expanding the projects available in our Art Kits to Go. New painting projects are being added weekly, and we are excited to announce that in the coming weeks, Glaze Your Own Pottery kits with a huge variety of ceramics for all ages will become available. Please check LakevilleAreaArtCenter.com or call our office at 952-985-4640 for more information on these new offerings.
Effective May 22nd, Lakeville Liquors is pleased to announce updated store hours. Those hours are Monday through Thursday, 12 p.m. to 8 p.m., Friday and Saturday, 11 a.m. to 8 p.m., and Sunday, 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. Swing on by any one of our 3 locations today. And finally, all city facilities will be closed on May 25th in observance of Memorial Day.
If you would like any more information about these or other city-related items, visit the city's website at lakevillemn.gov or call 952-985-4400. Thanks for watching, and now you're caught up on what's happening here at the City of Lakeville.